Investment here is gigantic, €165 billion. This is the largest and the greenest capital investment plan in the history of our state. That €165 billion compares to the plan which it is replacing of €116 billion, so an increase of almost €50 billion. We will spend over the next 4 years in the lifetime of this government direct exchequer capital funding of almost €50 billion. So the ambitions here are of a scale the like of which we have never seen before. Record levels of investment, but we believe it is a plan that is achievable and that, when implemented, it will make a major difference in many areas in the life of our country and our people. The economic benefits of this plan will be very considerable. The employment impact, as set out in the analysis carried out by my department, estimates an annual average job total of about 81,000 people working in direct and indirect construction jobs to implement this National Development Plan. Through supporting the largest public housing programme in the history of the state, the NDP will deliver an average of 6,000 affordable homes each year. In addition, we're providing the funding to advance Launcha Care, including e-health and ICT programmes, new primary care centres and enhanced community care, and building up the permanent capacity and resilience of our public health system.